What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created my press-on nails. So, I used my Kiara Sky Gel Tip Soak Off tips, and I got them in coffin and medium style. And that's the style that I love and I prefer. I have the whole kit, but I'm not doing gel nails today. I want to do press-on style nails using my gel tips. So I've already sized out my fingers, and I got them on my press-on tip nail stand that I got from Amazon. I will link that down below if you want to pick one up. And I just used some blue tack to hold the nails down in place. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove 3 of them and just work on my accent nails. Yes. So I love this stand because it's super easy to work with. And I love press-on nails because they're super easy. But yes, we're going to go on and use some base coat. And go on and put some base coat all over these nails. And once I get that done, I'm going to pop them into the lamp and cure them for 30 seconds. So while those are curing, I'm going to go on and get my bowl with my water out and get my water decals that I'm going to be using for my accent nails, and just get them placed and, ready to use. And I'm going to throw some into the water as well so they can be ready as soon as these nails come out. I really do like water decals. They're super fun and super easy to use, and you could just get imaginative and try all different kind of styles out if your freehand game isn't all that. So just get those in the water, and I'm going to take my nails out because they're done curing, and I'm going to take my tweezers, and I'm just going to take out my one of my water decals. And I'm going to peel the backing off of it. I did get out of frame for this. I do apologize. I totally forgot and wasn't paying attention about the camera. But once you get the backing off, you'll just place your water decal wherever you want it. And it literally lays down super easy. But you want to make sure that you get it in the spot that you want it in, because it will stick. So I'm just going to go on and do that with the rest of my decals. Just put them where I would like them on the nail. Super easy. I really do like these water decals. I am going to be practicing on my freelance designs and stuff, but water decals, I'm loving them. I love them better than stickers because they literally are not bumpy or anything. So I'm going to just go on and throw some more in here so I can do my other nail, and just make sure that, you don't have to leave them in there too long. A few seconds is good. Just want to get it nice and wet. But yeah, once you get it done, it's amazing. And it's nice and smooth once you top coat it. There's no bumps or anything. You don't have to worry about putting too much or having to encapsulate with acrylic or poly gel or anything of that nature. It's super easy. Anybody can use water decals. So I'm just doing like I did on the other finger, taking them off, the backing off, and placing them on the nails. So now that I have the water decals on, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my top coat, and it's my Jolly Tea top coat. It's the shiny top coat, and I'm just going to put these all over the nails so that way they can be nice, and the water decals can be nice and sealed. And then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. I just love doing nails. I think I found a new little hobby, y'all. I really do like it. But now that these are all cured, let me show you what they're looking like. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. Sorry, I'm off of frame. I had to give them a little look, and I'm just rubbing them down. But let me get into frame so that this can work for you guys so you can see. And there we go. These are my accent nails. Super cute. So I'm going to move those to the side and grab my last 3 tips that I need to finish for one of my hands. Yes. And I'm going to go on and put some base coat, and I'm using my Jolly Tea base coat. It came in my whole set. I will have that link down below if you want to pick it up. I got it off of Amazon, super cheap, and it came with like 20 colors and a matte top coat, a shiny top coat, and a base coat. But I'm just going to base coat all of these, and then I'm going to put them in the lamp for 30 seconds so they can cure. So I'm going to be using this really pretty color. It came in the little package that I was describing, and it's from Jolly Tea, and it is the number 7 shade. So if you pick this packet up, or you know, if you pick this nail polish up, you'll know what shade number it is, but I'll have it linked down below. But now that these are all cured, I'm going to go on and start painting them with this really pretty color. I don't know what to call it. I don't know if it's like a rust or a mustardy color or a rusty color. It is just really pretty. I definitely know it's a fall color, okay? But yeah, I really thought it was pretty and would go with my leaves. I do apologize for being out of frame. Like I said, I wasn't really paying attention, and I totally forgot about the camera. Because when you're doing something that is fun, you kind of forget about what's going on around you. I was just kind of in the zone. But yeah, I'm just giving them a nice little paint down, and then once they're... So I'm just going to pop these in the lights for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to do a second coat and pop it in the light for 30 seconds again. And yes, then we can get to doing the top coat. Alright, so now that those are all cured, we're just going to top coat them using my matte top coat from my Jolly Tea package. And I'm just going to top coat those and let them do its thing. And I'm sorry I'm out of frame, you guys. Like I said, wasn't paying attention. I'll be better at that next time. But once I top coat these, I'm going to pop them in my lamp for 60 seconds so it can cure. And once that's done curing, hey, my nails will be done. So now that they're done curing, so cute. I love the matte. And I'm going to add my accent nails so you can see them all together. Super cute. Just love this little fall theme that I got going on. But that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video.